The next method we're going to create is the exception output, which is a private method. After the constructor, before the set connection, few new lines, and we start with a private function underscore exception output. Exception output, there we go. And then we have obviously exception object as the first parameter and message as the second one. And now we simply check if is object first parameter, then if environment, which is the constant we've defined in our index.php file, equals 1, which would indicate that we're obviously in the development phase. Then we're going to display, let's display it straight away actually. Return get message from the exception object, else we're simply going to display a simple message, return, let's wrap it with the paragraph message. So we've got basically both of these for the specific, each for the specific purpose. First one is for when we actually programming, environment is 1. Otherwise, when obviously the site goes live, we don't want the visitor to see any of the exceptions that PHP PDO may throw because they contain some sensitive information. In that case, they're only going to see the message, basically, which we've defined whenever we call this exception output method. So obviously, there's no harm done. Obviously, no sensitive information is obviously shown to the visitor. The next method is going to be set driver option. So let's scroll down a little bit and start with public function set driver option, key equals null, and then value equals also null by default. And inside of this method, we start with this driver options, we add in the key and the associated value to it. So that's set driver option also completed.